On the behalf of Government Engineering College Banswara, I, Dr. Sunil Gadhwal, welcomes you once again in video lecture classes. As in the previous class, we had discussed about the synthesis of petrol in laboratory. So we had discussed about Fischer-Tropsch method, and today in this class we are going to discuss about Bergius process for synthesis of petrol. The Bergius process involves following steps. First, in this method, a paste of low S content finely powdered coal is made with heavy oil and catalyst, tin and nickel oolate. Oolate means ester of 18 carbon unsaturated acid with the nickel and tin catalyst. The paste is heated in the presence of hydrogen gas at 450 degrees centigrade under a pressure of 200 to 250 atmosphere for about 1.5 hours. At higher temperature and pressure, saturated hydrocarbons are formed, which decompose to yield low boiling liquid hydrocarbon, as we had discussed in cracking, where when we are heating higher molecular hydrocarbon, so in the absence of air, higher molecular hydrocarbon decompose into corresponding low molecular weight hydrocarbon. So similarly here is also this heavy oil means higher molecular weight hydrocarbon will decompose into small molecular weight hydrocarbon, and due to the presence of hydrogen, this unsaturated hydrocarbons will convert into saturated hydrocarbon. The vapor of low boiling hydrocarbon are condensed and isolated by fractional column distillation from the crude oil. The crude oil purified by fractional distillation and isolated gasoline, middle oil and heavy oil. The formed heavy oil is again used for making the paste. Middle oil, in the presence of catalytic hydrogenation, converted into gasoline. So this is the diagram of Bergius process. Here in this chamber we are taking best quality coal in powdered form plus catalyst, tin and nickel oolate, and we are mixing heavy oil. So this heavy oil based paste will come here, and in the presence of hydrogen, these things will come in this converter chamber, where the temperature is 450 degrees centigrade and pressure is 200 to 250 atmosphere maintained. From this outlet, vapors of mixtures of hydrocarbon will come here, and then with the use of condenser, we will condense the crude oil, and here again by doing fractional column distillation, this heavy oil will collected in the bottom of the fractional column, and from this outlet this heavy oil is again mixed in paste chamber, while this middle oil we are isolating in this fractional column, and by applying extra hydrogen we will get the saturated hydrocarbon. This gasoline we will get from the top of this fractional column, plus carbon संख्या 1 to carbon संख्या 4 lower hydrocarbon will also we can recover from this outlet. So this is the oleic acid having 18 carbon chain. This is the double bond, that means unsaturated oleic acid, and with the reacting with nickel and nickel catalyst, it will become as nickel oolate. So nickel and tin we can use. So with the help of this method, we can synthesize the petrol in the laboratory, hoping that you would be able to answer if examiner will ask in the exam in the form of short note. So thank you.